What's up? My name's Ron. Welcome to another day in my life. Today is Friday, the weekend of the Virginia Motorcycle Meetup. At first I thought that was a moto vlogger meetup, but I think it may have started out that, but I think now it's a motorcycle meetup. And I just left Charlottesville on I-64, and there's supposed to be a lot of fog up here, so I'd turn the camera on and start doing a little bit of recording. I did have my rain gear on. I still got my rain pants on, but it was raining when I left Bowling Green. It rained through Richmond. I got right outside of Charlottesville. It stopped kind of raining a little bit, so I took my rain jacket off and my rain gloves off and put them in a pannier, and then I started riding again. And I did run into a little bit more rain, but it wasn't much, maybe about 5 or 10 miles, and I figured, you know, going to interstate speeds, it would dry off my jacket. So I'm just going to let the camera roll for a little bit here and get some footage of the clouds. I say clouds, it's supposed to be foggy.
A few moments later.
So, I'm I-81 south. It appears that I am about 205, no, about 40 some odd minutes away from the hotel. And I had to stop and put the rain gear back on yet again. I've had to do this a few times. Is unpredictable. There's so many little pockets of rain, and it looks like it's going to clear up here in a minute, but I'm not taking this off yet again. It's not bad, just a little sprinkle. I got the right bike for it. And now it's going to clear up right over there. That's all right. So I've been wet with my mesh gear. I could see the clearing on the other side of this stretch of road, so I just rode right through it without any rain gear, and I dried off at about 20 miles after that.
Eventually.
Yeah, now it's clearing up. Not bad. So, traffic is horrendous on I-77. I've never been this route before, so I was not aware of this tunnel and how bad traffic is through it. Unreal. It was unreal getting off of 81 to get onto this road. It was just a madhouse. Now we're going 20 miles an hour. Why? I don't know. Because of a tunnel? Is that really the reason? Oh big Walker Mountain tunnel. Walker Mountain better be big. Well, it's Saturday and just getting to Tazewell. Well, I got the Tazewell Bluefield, the hotel, yesterday afternoon. It was always too beat to come down there in the rain. So right around the corner, you can see the GPS around the corner from the Clinch Mountain Motor Works, where the meetup is. I guess today they're meeting up at noon. That's when everything's supposed to kick back off. So it's at noon, and it's a little bit past noon right now. So historic Main Street. I didn't think that car behind me was going to get close enough. You know, a motorcycle starting off uphill, you pull up behind a motorcycle, you should give him a little bit of room, you know. I opted not to stop to put on rain gear because it's just, you put it on and then it stops raining, and you take it off and it starts raining, and you put it back on, etc., etc. So I'm just going to get wet, I reckon. There's another motorcycle right there. So is this it? It should be right up here somewhere. Thanks guys for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I really, really do. I mean, I'm having fun with YouTube, and this year, the past year or two actually, has probably been my best and favorite years of being a YouTube content creator. And that's because I've been able to meet in person other YouTube content creators as well as some subscribers. And to me, that is the hands down my favorite part of YouTube, is meeting subscribers out there and making new friends. So, you know, this here most recently I've met Billy up there in Luray at his dairy farm. He introduced me to the girls, the cows, and his wife. I met her. And Billy, Beth, appreciate that. And then I met Craig down in North Carolina. Craig set me a box of chocolates up with an awesome trip, and you saw the video for that. And so all they are is names and people who leave comments on your channel, and all of a sudden now they're friends, and I really appreciate that. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be in the area. We'll hang out. Maybe I'll be in your area one day. We'll meet up, have a cup of coffee or something else, and become friends. And that's what YouTube is all about in my book. So you guys be safe. Thanks again. Really do appreciate you guys watching.